of Asian Pyrochem Technologies Incorporated, I extend our sincere gratitude to the Department of Agriculture and the National Power Corporation for their leadership, trust, and shared commitment on nation building. Today's Memorandum of Understanding is more than a ceremonial milestone. It is a declaration of unified purpose towards sustainable development. We are gathered at a pivotal time in our country's journey. The Philippines faces interconnected challenges: energy security, food sustainability, environmental protection, and inclusive economic growth. Yet, within these challenges lies a powerful opportunity to integrate solutions that are holistic, scalable, and community-centered. This partnership reflects that vision. Through this collaboration, we will develop integrated agroforestry systems with National Power Corporation managed watershed areas, transforming these lands into productive, sustainable ecosystems. This effort will strengthen reforestation, enhance production, generate livelihood opportunities, and contribute to a clean, renewable energy development. At Asian Pyrochem Technologies Incorporated, we firmly believe that the future of energy is inseparable from agriculture. The food, feed, fuel nexus is not just a concept, it is a national imperative. By aligning agricultural productivity and renewable energy solutions, we create a circular and resilient economy that benefits both our people and our environment. In addition, Asian Pyrochem Technologies Incorporated is advancing a strategic framework we call the Global Barter Trade Nexus, an innovative model of international cooperation that enables the Philippines to exchange its natural, agricultural resources with partner nations for essential commodities, energy inputs, and infrastructure support. Through this nexus, agricultural outputs, agroforestry products, and biomass resources generated from these projects this can be acquisition within the broader ASEAN and global value chain. This reduces dependence of cost-based imports, strengthens regional partnership, stabilizes supply chains, and enhances national economic resilience, especially in the times of global uncertainty. In essence, we are not only planting crops, we are cultivating economic sovereignty. This initiative also embodies the true spirit of public-private community partnership. Government provides direction and stewardship, the private sector brings innovation and execution, and our communities become empowered partners of the development. We commend the National Power Corporation for its visionary leadership in opening watershed areas for sustainable and productive use, transforming power assets into platforms of inclusive growth. We likewise recognize the Department of Agriculture under the leadership of Secretary Francisco Chu Laurel, Jr., for its unwavering commitment to advancing high-value crops and strengthening agriculture sector as a pillar of national development. For Asian Pyrochem Technologies Incorporated, this partnership aligns deeply with our mission to harness indigenous resources, advance renewable technologies, and contribute meaningfully to the country's progress through innovation and responsible enterprise. But beyond infrastructure and system, this initiative is about people. It is about empowering farmers with sustainable livelihoods. It is about uplifting communities through access to clean energy and economic opportunities. It is about securing a better future for the next generation of Filipinos. As we move forward, let us recognize today marks the beginning of a greater journey. The real measure of this partnership will be in implementation in the tangible benefits it delivers and in the lives it transforms. We at Asian Pyrochem Technologies stand ready to work hand in hand for our partners ensure that this shared vision becomes a lasting reality. Together, let us build not just projects, but a legacy of sustainability, innovation, inclusive growth of the Philippines. Maraming salamat po at magandang hapon. Mabuhay!